Yeah, yeah.
Hello beautiful people, I'm Simply Bami and you're welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, you are very welcome. I hope you stay, so please remember to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a fall makeup tutorial video, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this look. I really love this eyeshadow, by the way. I've worn it like 4 or 5 times. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy my video and I'll see you guys at the end. Keep watching, please. So we're starting with a bright big smile, and then we're gonna set our brows with Sacha Buttercup powder. We're gonna set our lid with L.A.X concealer. After which, you really want to blend your concealer in and go ahead and set it with any powder that you have. I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup powder today. So I'm really focusing right now on pigmentation. You really want that pigment. I'm so sorry, it's not really clear how pigmented this shadow is. I don't know, I think it's something to do with the lighting setting on my camera, and I'm gonna get that fixed as soon as I can. Anyways, after this, you're really gonna want to cut your crease, and I'm doing that with this angled brush. I don't know, sometimes I like to use this angled brush just because I feel like it's so small and I can really just use it to get all up in there, if you know what I mean. So you want to, the thing with cutting your crease is when you get to that end, you want to make sure you kind of blend it in a little bit, because I find that when you don't blend it in, when you pack your shadow on, it just kind of stands there and it's like, okay, what are you doing? You gotta blend in, buddy. So now that your crease is cut, you can go in with this shade, and then you can lightly blend this brown shade at the end of your lid and just kind of buff it into your transition color as well, so that everything has a seamless look to it.
I go call MC Oluomo, I go report all of them, I go show for your case, I go slap.
So I'm using this L'Oreal eyeliner, and I didn't really show the whole process on camera, but you get the point. Anyways, you just draw your wing liner like so, and put on some mascara, you know what I mean. And honestly, I'm just gonna move on to the face right now. So we're gonna go in with our primer, because you want to be all primed up, you feel. And then we're gonna move on to my favorite part, because I have a lot of acne scars. So I'm gonna color correct and go in with my Total Control foundation by NYX. And I like the fact that it drops, because it just makes me feel so Instagrammy. You know what I mean? No? Okay. And afterwards, we're gonna go ahead and highlight our face. I'm using this concealer that I'm really loving right now. I got it from the drugstore, but girl, you got to try this, because I promise you it is thebomb.com, okay? Anyways, after that, we're gonna go ahead and blend. After we blend, I'm going in with my L.A.X concealer, just because I feel like this concealer, like I like it, but it's not as bright as I would want it to be. So I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes and everywhere that I want to highlight, and go back in there and just blend it out.
Love to do me like a shark, yo, go, go, go. I shine, I go follow you, go to so go, go.
So I'm going in with my L.A.X concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'm just going to be using that to contour this face. And all you want to do is go ahead and blend that in. Emphasis on blend, because you don't want a line just literally standing on your face without even paying rent. It's not acceptable, my sister. And then what you want to do is you kind of want to just take your setting powder and just kind of tap it onto your face. I'm gonna be baking my under eye just because I feel like it creases up so fast. Oh my god. But anyways, so you just kind of tap 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 under your eyes, tap tap under your nose, tap 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 tap. That's all you gotta do. So I'm going ahead and using my Real Techniques. I'm using my Real Techniques brush and just kind of taking my powder contour and going in on those cheeks, baby, because we need some something. We need some dimension. You know what I mean? And then you want to go ahead and dust off the excess powder underneath your eyes and everywhere else that you've highlighted or you've baked. And then what I'm doing is I'm just putting concealer on the bridge of my nose because I haven't highlighted my nose, and I'm using my finger to blend that out. And I really don't know what I'm saying here, but we're just gonna go with it. And then I'm gonna use my contour palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm taking the dark shade to contour my nose, and I'm gonna also be using one of the light shades to highlight my nose as well. Now onto the lips. Alright, as usual, I'm gonna go for a nude lip. Honestly, I don't even know why I like nude lips so much. I just kind of feel like that is what best suits my face. But I'm gonna definitely try like other lipstick colors, but for today's looks, we're gonna go with the nude lip. Okay, so I'm taking my eyebrow pencil and lining the outer portion. Anyways, outer portion of my lips, and then I'm going in with my LA, I think it's LA Girl lip liner. It's a lighter shade of brown, and I like to use it to line the inside of my lips, so it kind of gives that gradient effect for when I put my nude lipstick in the center portion of it. And I'm going in with my pink lip gloss. You can just use any lip gloss, honestly, but I just kind of felt like, just because it had a little bit of pink to it, it was like a nudish pink, it would really pop out the lipstick effects. You get what I mean? Yes, that's what I did. Alright, and then I'm highlighting my face with my same highlighter from Makeup Forever, and we're gonna go ahead and spray our face. Alright, like that. Oof, I feel the mist. And now we are just vibing. Okay, I don't even know what song this was, but it was really a vibe. You get? Wow, hands down.
So thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Follow me on my social media accounts. Feel free to send me a DM. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, what are you waiting for? I will leave a link to that up on the screen. So make sure you check it out and let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
For your case, I go call MC Oluomo. I go report all of them. I go